Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Thursday, June 9th. Want to look at Monsanto in this video, and here's why. It's really at what I think is a pretty good buy point. You see the stock drifted kind of in a base here, broke out above the 200-day moving average, and then, as so many stocks have done, ultimately kept moving to a point where you get this crossover. Okay, that's great. Stock, by the time you get the crossover, it's kind of too late to buy if you're trying to time your entry. So you wait, and the stock indeed pulls back, making you very happy that you didn't buy here at $1.13. But now we've got this stock pulling back, support above this 20-day moving average, and holding tight, for a couple days, a couple good green bars. So I would look at this as a good time to be buying the stock, actually, because it's high enough, it's pulled back enough to where you can really comfortably say this downtrend here has been negated. Now we're in an uptrend. Now I want to look, before I even make this entry, I want to look at the weekly chart and see, okay, this is definitely something different happening here. This was a big, massive sell-off, and now we're at a point where we can look to buy. Oh, and one other thing. Let's see what the underlying, or I should say the overlying sector is doing. That's basic materials, other ag chemical stocks, various other things as well. The XLB is in a really nice uptrend. So there's some wind in the sails here. There's some wind in your back here if you're bull on Monsanto. The stock's pulled back 50, or it is broken out and then holding above the 50-day moving average here on the XLB. Any pullback, we would expect this to hold. And similarly, if you're taking Monsanto, you're looking at it on this time frame. So you're taking Monsanto, you really want to have your stop like right underneath 106, because your whole reason for buying right now, and if you don't agree with this, then don't buy. I'm just presenting the trade idea. Your whole reason for buying is that you believe that this gap is going to hold. You believe that it has held. You've seen the stock move up. No, that's too much. You've seen it pull back. Don't know when when that pullback is going to run its course. And then after Wednesday, and then now Thursday, okay, now I have a theory. And that is that this pullback has run its course, and I want to be long the stock before it keeps going higher still. So how will I know if my theory is wrong? I will know because the stock will not hold above this level. It won't hold into this gap. So that's when I'm going to sell. The idea is, look, the stock is going to go higher or lower. Nobody knows, but we have to assess our risk. And that starts with our idea. Why am I buying the stock? If you know why you are buying the stock with specificity, then you know where you need to place your stop. You place your stop not where your emotions tell you to or whatever, but it's a hardcore objective analysis. My idea is this level is going to hold. I'll put a stop just below that. If your idea is not that the level is going to hold, but rather, you just think the stock is going to continue to move higher, well, put your stock down here below 80 if you want. Doesn't matter. Just have an idea and then put your stop in according to what that idea is. So I've just given you mine. Whether you craft it on this one or another stock, have an idea, place a stop according to that idea so that you are stopped out when your idea is proven to be incorrect. And that won't make you a bad trader. It'll just make you a good risk manager.